Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be unboxing my sale finds. Most of the items that I'll be unboxing are from Dior. Look at the beautiful Christmas packaging. Dior on sale, 40% off, incredible finds. But I also have a new bag to unbox with you, and it was another fantastic score from Village from Saint Laurent, my new Saint Laurent bag. So can't wait to show you my finds from the sales. If you're interested, keep watching, and also don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which is this one here. You can see how I like to style my new purchases. I show you my daily outfits on my stories, so come say hi. I'd love to see you there as well. By the way, if you haven't watched my Village shopping vlog, I'll make sure I link it above. And the first item I'll unbox is from Dior, from Village. This is the first item I got. I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit impatient and I already wore it. So if you've been following me on Instagram, if you've been watching my shopping vlogs, you have probably spotted this already. It is... Wait for it. It is this absolutely gorgeous Dior scarf. I could not believe this was at the outlet, and very pleasantly surprised. I spotted it from the window. I was still queuing outside. We went very early and I queued outside Dior. I would highly recommend, if you're going to Village, that you go very early before the long queues, because after that the queues are insane. Literally, you would have to wait for hours. Sometimes they close the queues and there are digital queues and you can't even register on the digital queue. So I would suggest, if you can, go very early, bright and early, to Village, just to avoid the long annoying queues. Plus, most of the items, the good stuff, will be sold by the end of the day, so go bright and early. This was very close to the front door displayed. I grabbed it. I was like, yep, I want this. And there was a matching hat. I tried it on, I showed you it in my shopping vlog, but I decided not to get it. I have way too many hats, plus it's a white hat. I wear a lot of makeup, so not a great idea, I think. But I'm very happy about the scarf. I already wore it, as I said, when I went to the Dior cafe. So it is stunning. Another thing I love about this scarf is that it has two faces. So I have the plain white with the gold thread. At the bottom here it says Christian Dior. It is reversible, so I can wear it both sides, and I think it's so elegant. A huge find. I will share prices. £575, and that's after the discount. It is so soft, and also during the transitional period I can actually throw it around my shoulders. I can even wear it like a poncho. I can belt it and drape it on my shoulders. It will look so pretty. So very excited to wear this one. Next we have Christmas packaging. I couldn't believe they gave me Christmas packaging, original Dior packaging, because normally when you shop from the outlet they give you plain bags. So the one I showed you, this isn't the bag they gave me. They gave me a plain white without the Dior writing on it, but this is just one that I have at home, so decided to show you the scarf in a prettier bag. But this actually they gave me, this is last year's Christmas packaging. I'll show you this year's Christmas packaging in a bit. But yeah, I was surprised they had these at the outlet. And inside is something very tiny. They gave me a very big bag for it. It comes in this little dust bag. Unfortunately, when you buy from the outlet, the costume jewelry doesn't come in the original Dior boxes, just dust bags. Not sure why. So you can see I will insert a close-up, this stunning pearly brooch. There is something very similar on the website from the current collection. I think it's one of their classics actually. It could be hit or miss when it comes to costume jewelry at Dior in Village. So This one immediately caught my eye, and I know I've said before in my previous videos that I'm a bit over brooches. I stopped buying brooches. I was obsessed with brooches at one point a few years ago. I was buying brooches constantly. I actually sold a few of my brooches because I just stopped wearing them. But I think they're such a nice accessory, and they're very versatile because you can not only pin them on clothes, but also they look so nice pinned on hats. So that was my idea. I really want to get a hat to pin this on, and I think it will look so pretty, especially with the pearl detail. But also actually I love pinning brooches on knitwear. I think it looks so nice, especially on like cardigans, so I can imagine wearing this on like a white long cardigan and just pin it here. To be honest, you know what? I think I bought it because of the pearls. The pearls got me again. I love pearls. Anything with pearls, give it to me, I would love it. So yeah, and actually recently wore this one as well. I pinned it on a high neck top right here, and it looked very cute. So this one was £215. So this next purchase is from Harrods, from the Dior sale in Harrods, and you can see this is the new Christmas packaging. Just a little comparison, last year's Christmas packaging, this year's Christmas packaging, they're both so pretty. Like Dior always has such stunning Christmas packaging. I also really love these metal stars that they add to their packaging. I have so many of these. I could probably decorate a whole Christmas tree just with Dior stars. So let's see. So here I have this box. You can tell it's a pair of shoes, right? So these again were 40% off. Are you guys surprised I got these? So I understand, trust me, that these won't be everyone's cup of tea. I used to dislike these a lot when they came out. So trust me, I understand. You might think these are hideous. That's what I thought initially when I saw them, when they launched them. I believe they launched this style in the spring. I saw them in Paris and I was like, what the hell is this? Guys, when I saw them, trust me, I really didn't like them at all. And if you've watched my Paris vlog, you probably remember I said I'm not a fan of these. However, later on, someone I know, a friend of mine, got these in beige. So these came in a few different colors. The black I believe came with like black rubber and the white rubber detail. So the black, the beige, and in white. A friend of mine got the beige, and when I saw them on her and how she styled them, I was like, oh my god, I was so wrong about these shoes. They actually look so chic. And I know this is like a trendy piece, but I don't know, when I saw them on her and how she styled them, I absolutely fell in love with them. I started searching for them. They were sold out online. I actually couldn't believe they were sold out online. I didn't know these were such a popular style. So yeah, they disappeared online. I couldn't buy them. And when I went to the sale, I honestly couldn't believe they were available, but they had very limited sizes, like just the odd size left. And they only found me the black in size 38. So when I heard they had 38, I was like, yep, that's my size. They'll fit perfectly. They run quite big. And that's something I didn't know. So I was like, oh no, these are so big, like my foot was coming out. So I would suggest, if you find these, definitely go half size down. They say saw how much I wanted them, so she was like, hold on, I have a solution for you. So she gave me insoles. She gave me these leather insoles for free. So actually I didn't know that. If you go to Dior, I'm not sure if all the brands do it in Harrods, but if you go to Dior, if they don't have your size and you really want a pair of shoes, they would give you a free pair of insoles, and these are really good insoles. Very comfortable leather insoles, and they're quite padded, so very comfy. So she put the insole inside and they're fine now. They fit so nicely, very comfortable. I love the heel height. and I love the design. I feel that they look so chic and so classy. You can definitely dress them up, although they look quite sporty. But you guys know my style is a bit more casual, so I think I would wear these a lot. Don't judge them too quickly, just give them a chance, see how they look on the foot. I think they look very flattering. Let me know what you think. I know many of you will probably hate them, but let's see. Also, did I mention the price was fire? So I scored these for £474. I mean, for Dior shoes, that's a score, isn't it? And last, do you guys remember when I started the video I told you that I have a new bag to show you, and surprise surprise, it is from Saint Laurent. I found this in Bicester Village. It comes in this bag. You can tell it's quite tiny, but it's a very classic model. So can you guys guess which one I got? You will die when you see the color. Okay, it is it is this cute Lulu. It's like such a unique color, and when I saw it I absolutely fell in love. The minute I held it in my hand, I was like, I want it, obsessed. The color really got me, and they told me they had this in silver, so I showed you the silver one in my Bicester Village vlog. They also had the fuchsia pink. I didn't show you that because I wasn't interested. I didn't even ask to see it. And they also had a tweed one. I'll see if I can find a picture and insert it here. But again, I didn't really like the tweed. Initially I was intrigued when I heard tweed, but yeah, this particular tweed, nope, it wasn't for me. I just thought this color is so unique, and I loved how cute and tiny it is. It is tiny, but actually it's not as tiny as some of my other handbags that I have. This one would actually fit quite a lot, and because it's so tiny, you can wear it as a little clutch in the evening when you go out. It is a worry-free bag, and it was very inexpensive. Like for a YSL bag, I paid around £500 for this. Let me see if I have the receipt. YSL recently had a price increase and their bags increased quite a lot. So this one I got for £570. So this actually is the style without the chain. You can see it's one little pouch. It doesn't come with a strap, but that would not stop me to wear it as a handbag, because all you need is a chain. And I have so many chains from, of course, my favorite Samorga. This video is not sponsored, but guys, I have so many top handle chains, so I can wear it as a top handle bag. I have pearl chains, I have long crossbody chains, and inside I will show you, it's actually quite spacious inside. I have actually already put the strap inside. And also another little surprise inside this bag. It comes with a card holder in the same matching color. So all the little bags that they showed me, all the little pouches, the silver, the pink, the tweed, they all came with matching card holders. And I believe Saint Laurent actually sells these card holders separately, this particular style. It fits quite a few cards. It is in the softest lambskin leather. I actually accidentally scratched it with my long claw nails. It fits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 card slots on the front, and then you have a big top one. It has a magnet closure, and also these actually I found online. They are a bit over £700. Some of them, I believe the tweed one was a bit more expensive, like around £800. But even the full price to me is worth it. It's such a cute little bag. It's not that much different than the mini Lulu bag. I'm not sure if it's called the mini or the small. I'm not familiar with the Lulu sizes, but I know they have quite a few different sizes in the Lulu style. The only difference is that the other one, of course, it is a bit more expensive because it has the strap. Also, the logo I've noticed is a bit bigger on the actual handbags. But this is another thing that I really loved about this tiny one. The logo is smaller and it just looks so cute in gold against this green khaki color. Very, very happy with this one. It will be my casual, carefree bag. So, I mean, for £500, what a score, right? Oh yeah, and surprisingly, this color, you might think it's tricky to style, but it goes with so much. Denim, grey, camo, matches quite a lot. So this color is really very easy to style and I love it. Oh, you're such a cutie. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's sale unboxing. Let me know what you think of my scores from the sales. Which one was your favorite? I'm so curious to hear from you in the comment section. Let's chat. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.